Step 1. Open the box and remove the product and all parts. Remove the original vehicle screws from both sides of the tailgate. Step 2. Take out the bracket. Align its mounting holes, top and bottom, with the corresponding holes on the vehicle, and tighten the original vehicle screws to secure it. Repeat the same procedure for the bracket on the opposite side. Step 3. Fully deploy the tailgate extender. Align the brackets with the tailgate extender position, matching the center holes of the brackets with the holes on the tailgate extender. Securely fasten them using the T-shaped bolts, M8*45mm. Step 4. Pass the T-shaped bolts, M8*70mm, through the holes in the middle of the tailgate extender and fasten them with the T-shaped nuts M8. The installation is now complete. Rotate the tailgate extender 180 degrees inward to close the tailgate.